Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm Andy, and I'm unedited, I'm unscripted, and I am a little uncensored. And I'm just out for a walkabout, taking a walk around the property. Did a little work on some trails. I ran my mower around a few trails that I'd kind of let overgrow. I just recently cleared the path. Thought I'd take a little walk and clear the path some more. So I brought my trusty pruners, and that's it. Pruners and a camera. I'm gonna kick a few sticks out of my way and take a little walk. But this path is, I don't know how long the path is. I think it's a little over a mile. But this is what I cleared. You know, I just cleared all this out, mowed it out so that there's an open path. I made a little path going up this way to go that way, or I can go that way. And primarily on either side of the trees here, and primarily I did this for my golf cart so that my golf cart can make it through and have clear passage. And it does most everywhere. See, right here it wouldn't have clear passage, so I need to lop some of this stuff out to get it out of my way. There's a few things here that will prevent clear passage from the cart, and this is one of them. Just lop that sucker right off. Put it over here. Use it as a little bit of a border. I'll do the same with this one. Lop that sucker. I'll throw it off to the side. And that will give me clear passage. Simple enough. There's just a couple little things here I noticed when I was riding through here. A couple like this. I mean, I don't have to do anything with that, but I'm just gonna get it out of the way. It's gonna come down eventually. Might as well just get rid of it. Next, some of this stuff just needs to be pushed aside so that I have a fairly clear path to continue to run the mower through here without tearing up blades too badly, and a nice good walking path. I need to get out here and walk some more. I bet everybody here does. Everybody here listening or watching right now probably needs to get out and walk a little more. It can't hurt us. Well, I guess it could. But in theory, it probably won't. We will just clear off some debris, some of the rocks, these rocks, I really need to set those aside. Some of these good rocks, I'm going to set them aside because I'll come back around and gather those up with a vehicle of some sort, a mower, or, whoops, a mower of some sort. But basically, I just want to clear some of this stuff. You know, this area here is not bad, really, except for the rocks. But I just need to come through with a vehicle and pull out some of these rocks because I'll use them for landscaping projects and stuff. But see, you can see where I came up here with the mower. And so some of this stuff can get out of the way. This thing, I just need a better tool to pry that out of there so I can get it out of my way. Maybe that one. Just so I can get up here with a mower a little easier. And or get the golf cart up here without any difficulty. But see, this is part of the passage. And so, I can move that rock out of the way. And I need to get that one out of the way. We'll do that later. I don't have the right tool. I have loppers. I'm lopping. I don't have a pry bar, so I'm not prying. I got shoes instead of flip-flops. So I'm going to go ahead and boot some of these sticks out of my way. And just clear the property. I have an idea. I think I'm going to try to put a rental on here, kind of an Airbnb type thing. It'd be nice to have a trail. But see, there's just a lot of things here that just need to be kind of booted out of the way. There's a Royal Enfield, I think. I don't know. See, some of these rocks, I'm going to boot those out just to make for a better walk without any, shall we say, or shall we say, fewer hazards. And I'm going to do that. I need to bring a shovel out here, a rake. And I'll bring a rake here one day. Right now I've got loppers, so I'm lopping. And I can lop some of this. Because it is, or potentially will be, in my way of my cart. And lopping these little trees don't hurt them at all. But yeah, just take this out. I'd like to open this and clear this out. Just get some of this stuff to boot. Need a rake. I've got loppers. I'm lopping. I don't have a rake. But basically, I am clearing the path, right? And we all know what that means. Clearing the path. Not clearing the path to self-righteousness. Just clearing the fucking path. See, now that one there. See, again, I don't have a pry bar. But some of these nice rocks, I want to keep them. Come back around, I'll pick them up. It's a nice rock. Good landscaping rock. There's a lot of it here. I just want to clear this stuff. And have a nice path. it down there. You can see. But I also brought it in up this way. Again, it's for the golf cart. Just really wasn't sure which way to go with it. And so I yeah, so I went down there with it, which brings me out to Dude's driveway and then on out to the roadway. But also I cut the path down here just to keep me right on our property, and also so the path is a little less obvious. So here's something there. It's a big old root here. Ooh, look at that motherfucker. I'll go ahead and leave it. I'll go ahead and leave it. Leave this stuff here. Yeah, it's just some debris that I cut out of the way with some with the chainsaw, and some of it I just mowed over, really. That's what I did. This is my 15 minutes of shame. 15 minutes of fame. Getting this stuff out of here. Big old vine. Look at that sucker. See that one there? That's a sweet old vine there, huh? Yeah, let's see what happens. 13.5 minutes. Trying to keep them. We're trying to keep them at 15 minutes. See if I can finish this one up with a good old-fashioned video of shame. Something's gonna happen. It almost always does. And there's that vine. Can I see it from here? I don't know. Let's try. See what I... Whopper's right there. The vine's right here. I could get up on this hill pretty high. I don't know. This isn't gonna work. No. Yeah. See? That could have been real funny. Well, I saved my ass from making an ass out of myself this time. But there will be many more opportunities for me to do just that. Many more opportunities. Many more opportunities will present themselves for me to do just that. And I will seize upon them many, many times over. More than I ought to. Anyway, that's it. I'm out of here. Andy's 15 minutes of shame, 15 minutes of fame. I'm Andy, I'm unedited, I'm unscripted, I'm uncensored. And today I just took a little walk around the property, preparing for the new Airbnb, maybe, festival, maybe.